I want to show you how to make a pair of Tahitian pearl earrings using 18 gauge 2-inch head pin. And I like using head pins that are machine done because it's already smoothed. What you do is you bend it right at the top, and this keeps it from moving. And I like the circumference of this marker, so what I do is just wrap around it. And sometimes you have to make sure that it's the same both sides and adjust it. Then bend it a little bit. Thereafter, and you make sure that it's the same on both sides. You could tap it and make sure that it's hardened that way.